Traders, it's Friday. Woohoo! Friday the 22nd of September to be exact. And we are going to do the following. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades. And we're going to look at the important news. There was lots of news yesterday. Yeah, lots of important news. And we can see that on the euro against the Swiss franc. So this was our first trade idea from yesterday. And as you can see, guys, we was in a downtrend stroke range. All right. And we were just trying to come from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. Also, we had a nice bearish candle at the top of the range. Yeah, so this was the idea. Okay. And then news happened. Yeah, it was the Swiss interest rate decision, and it was 25 basis points worse than expected. And obviously, we saw Swiss franc weakness and euro strength. Okay, and as soon as we see that, guys, really, you know, all bets are off. Yeah, there's no trading anymore. If we look at the H4 chart, you know, we're looking for price, you know, which it kind of was. It was like breaking down. Yeah, breaking down, but we just can't enter until that news comes out. News comes out, kapow, yeah, leave euro Swiss franc alone. Yeah, simple as that, guys. So no trade on euro Swiss franc. The next euro pair from yesterday was euro yen, and this was a nice trade. Yeah, I missed it because I was doing something else for the channel, guys. But yeah, let's talk through this, guys. All right. So if we go to the day chart, yeah, obviously highly correlated with euro Swiss franc, but we didn't have an interest rate decision on this one. And all we were looking for, guys, was short. Yeah, price had come down, and again, it had entered a range. All right, and it was at the top of the range, as you can see. Okay, and we were getting some nice bearish wicks. Yeah, look at these wicks. I love these wicks. Yeah, they are rejecting price. You can clearly see that in the candle. Read the candlesticks. Look at this wick. Clearly rejected. Look what happens. Down, down. Okay. So that was the idea, guys, to come from here with those bearish wicks and take price lower. And price pretty much come down exactly to our target. All right, guys. So, yeah. And if we drop down to the H1 now, because it was a H1 play, really, guys, to be honest with you. So, you know, looking at the H1, price had started to break down. Okay. And then we come back up to this really nice level, to be honest, guys, because you got the moving average 20 coming round. You're still with H1 structure, you know, and then we got these three candles, really. Yeah, and it was probably the third candle you would enter on. Okay, because that was actually an M15 structure break as well. All right, so we enter here, put your stop up here, and then, yeah, just take price. You know, I would have probably taken some profit at these lows, closed 80%, and then just let 20% run. And it more or less hits our target. And even if it didn't, take profit there. Yeah, don't be a dick for a tick. Yeah, it's our favorite saying. So, yeah, there you go, guys. That euro yen was a really nice trade if we could get in on these candles here. So yeah, good euro yen. What else were we looking at? We were looking at the indices yesterday, guys, but these are just, you know, Elvis had left the building, really. If we start with the NASDAQ, yeah, if we look at the day chart, you know, you can see where my alarm is, guys. I was looking for a retrace. So structurally, we were in an uptrend. Okay. Didn't make higher highs. Yeah, we got quite a bearish reaction at that level. And then eventually, guys, these lows in here were all broken. Yeah, with this candle here. And as soon as we see that candle, we are interested in selling this market. All right. And the idea was to take price back down to this blue line, you know, or even further, you know. So, yeah, that was the idea. But on the H4, you know, I wanted to see this, guys. Yeah, perhaps a retrace into here. Hence my alarms there. Test this last low, and then we come lower. Okay, so that's the price I pay, guys, sometimes for waiting for a retrace. And waiting for a retrace means I'm waiting for value. And I won't trade without value, yeah, unless I split my trade up. But generally speaking, I won't trade without value. And we just didn't get any. Yeah, it just kept going down, down, down until it hit target. All right, so although the direction was good, guys, sometimes the trades are not easy to get into. And this was one. And the S&P was exactly the same. Yeah, if we just go to the day chart quickly, yeah, it was a case of, you know, we were in this uptrend. Yeah, started to, you know, arguably range, but then just broke the range immediately. Okay, we saw this bearish candle take price lower. But again, just to show you quickly, guys, if we look at the H4, H1, any of them, yeah, we just didn't get that retrace. I was looking for a retrace into here, and then we come lower. But it just, yeah, dropped like a stone. All right, and the last one, guys, this might have caught some people out, to be honest with you guys. US dollar, Japanese yen. If we look at the day chart, yeah, because if we look at the day chart, yeah, you know, if we went back in time, and you looked at the day chart right now, which we did yesterday, we are seeing nice uptrend, finally broke this level of stubborn resistance. Yeah, and we had a bit of room to move into. Yeah, you know, you would be forgiven for thinking this was a nice buy. Yeah, makes sense. All right, if we go back to real time now, we just got a very bearish response on yen yesterday. If we drop down to the H1 chart, or my screen stops, one or the other. Come on, computer. Bear me 1 second, guys. Okay, here we go. We're back at Euro yen for some reason. Anyway, let's go to US dollar yen. Maybe the editor will edit this out, or just leave it in. No problem. So, yeah, if we go drop down to the H1 chart now on US dollar yen. So, we didn't really get we had our grey zones, all right? First grey zone, you can see we didn't really get a bullish response, okay? So, no problem. We didn't trade it. But then there was this candle, okay, which was arguably bullish enough. Yeah, I know we have a very bearish candle, but this candle closes up more than half of this body of this candle. Yeah, so that's technically a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So maybe some of you saw this, entered on here, you know, to take price higher. But then, guys, you know, yen just had such strength yesterday. And you know why yen had strength? It's because the indices were dropping like a stone as well. Yeah, and you must be aware of that correlation. Yeah, if the indices are dropping, yen is a flight to safety currency, and therefore yen will gather strength as well. And that's what we saw yesterday. So yeah, maybe this candle caught some of you out, guys. You entered, maybe your stop was here, or even down here. You know, you still would have got stopped out, guys. So US dollar yen, yeah, didn't do what we expected it to do. And that was it, guys. There was quite a few trades, and those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis and yesterday's trade ideas and would like to receive them every day, then come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel, guys. Thank you very much. Right, trades for the Friday, the 22nd of September. Yeah, before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Why haven't you joined it yet? Yeah, there's loads of value in there. You've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got psychology, indicators, useful links, books. come join it, guys. Yeah, loads of value and it's free. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're stuck or need help or anything to do with trading, guys. I also give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right, we have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas as well. I give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach should you need it, guys. All right, so loads of value in there. So check out the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade, yeah, if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then we run a mentorship program. So in the video description, you will find our email. If you email us, tell us you're interested in the mentorship program, and we will send you all of the details. Next, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, watch my analysis vids, then come and show your support, guys. Yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member for as little as $2 a month, or under $2 a month. All right, and there's loads of perks as well, so check that out. And don't forget our live stream Monday to Thursday, not today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Yeah, come join us for that as well. Fridays, me and the editor, you know where we are. Right, guys, trade ideas then for Friday, the 22nd of September. So I spoke about it a little bit in the in yesterday's trades, in yesterday's recap, and we saw some yen strength yesterday. Yeah, we saw that across all yen pairs, and that has led to some nice trade opportunities. Bear with me, it's early. My brain is just kicking into gear. But yeah, we're looking for, it gives us some nice yen trade opportunities. And Swiss franc Japanese yen is such one. Yeah, because you can see with this Swiss franc yen, we were in a range, and then slowly it's become a descending triangle. Okay, and finally it has broken out of this triangle. I've been waiting for this for 12 years to happen. All right, but it's happened. Thank God. Yeah, but it was going to break, guys. It has to break out. It could break to the upside. Yeah, but it has to break out of this triangle. But it actually broke down, and we've got a very nice bearish candle. Yeah, looking for a little bit of a retrace and then to take price back down to this psychological level 162.50. If we drop down, H4. If we drop down to the H4 now, we got a couple of levels we're interested in. All right. So, yeah, obviously this big grey zone was the daily grey zone. Okay. Yeah. And this is the bottom of the triangle. So obviously this is a nice area, okay, to look for shorts. All right. So first and foremost, this could happen. Yeah. Price comes back up into the grey zone. We get a bearish reaction. We are all over this. We will start to sell it. I will take some profit at these lows. Always take some profit where there could be support or resistance. Take some profit, and then I'll let some profit run. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, you can see there is a level here I've put in. Yeah, there's the last H1 highs, but looks like price isn't obeying it as we speak. Okay, but we don't know. It might change in a minute. But, you know, price could react here. We get a bearish reaction, and again, we can start to take price lower. All right, the Swiss franc Japanese yen short. The other yen pair that I like with this yen strength is pound against the yen. This too was in a descending triangle. Yeah, less clear, but it was a descending triangle, even if we did this a bit, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is what's happened with this pair. Okay. So I've just been waiting for a breakout of this grey zone. Yeah, that's what I've been waiting for, guys, because all of these lows kept closing back into each other. Yeah, so there's not confirmation of a break. Yeah, but finally, we're starting to see lower highs. Yeah, and we get confirmation with a nice break. This candle here is a nice break of these lows and this gray zone. All right, and a bearish candle. Lots of reasons to like it. And all we're looking to do, guys, is get a retrace. And this is my target, back to 180.62. Just these last lows here. Because again, guys, it's just the next piece of resistance I'm looking for. You know, it could come down to these lows. It could even come down to these lows. But this is the last piece of support, guys. Sorry, not resistance. The last piece of support. So that's my target. If we drop down to the H4 now, again, you know, obviously the gray zone from which it broke, yeah, it would be a nice area. Yeah, look at all this price action here where prices reacted previously. So if we get a reaction up to here, yeah, we get a bearish reaction, we can start selling this pair. All right, so price comes up to here. Yeah, price comes up to here. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up. We get a bearish reaction. We can start selling this pair. Again, guys, there is like a little H1 level. Okay, not anymore, there isn't. Yeah, because it's been broken. But there was this level here, but it looks like price wants to push higher. All right, and that's good. Yeah, we want it to push higher. We get better value. If we can enter up here, it's better value than entering here. All right, guys, but yeah, pound yen, we're looking to sell that pair as well. There's more that I'm looking at. The next one, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. If you want a very slow, very dull pair that moves like a snail, then Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar is for you. Okay, in actual fact, it's traded a lot, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, for that reason. It moves slowly. It's not too much volatility. You know, a lot of people trade it for that reason. It's like the opposite of pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, pound Canadian dollar can move like 100 pips, and Aussie dollar New Zealand has done about 10 pips in the same time, you know. Anyway, why do I like this? Well, we've had a structure break. Yeah, we are at this high here. Okay, and price has been reacting here at, you know, ever since we've hit this level. And then, you know, we finally had this break. Yeah, so this price action just about held on here. And we was in a range, really. Yeah, we was ranging from here to here. And now price has come down and price has broken out of that range. It's even broken this low here. Yeah, this candle. Nice big bearish candle breaking out of the range, changing structure to a downtrend, broke through this support, and we've got a little bit of room to move into. Okay, so this is all the reasons I like this trade, and you should have reasons why you like the trade. So yeah, if we drop to the H4, yeah, probably a bit of a H4 play, guys. So what I'm looking for is price to retrace into this gray zone. Why is it a gray zone, as in an area of support and resistance? Just look how price has reacted. All right, so yeah, price retraces up into here. We get a bearish reaction. We can then take price back down to this psychological level, this 0800 level. All right, guys, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. There's a couple more things, but before I do, if you're enjoying my analysis, enjoy my trade ideas, then please subscribe to the channel right now if you haven't already, guys. Secondly, if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps push the vid. We really appreciate it. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. We've got, what else have we got? We've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership, and we've got the live stream. Okay, everything is in the video description. Check it out. So those are my trade ideas. Those are the 3 trade ideas, guys. But I am also interested in a couple of Swiss franc pairs, but they don't offer as much value as the others. So Euro Swiss franc obviously hit this level. All right, but we've now broken structure and we're in an uptrend. Okay, so I like this if it starts coming down to here. Yeah, and then we can start pushing up. I wanted to show you it, guys, but this might be a couple of days away. Who knows? Yeah, but I like Euro Swiss franc for that reason, if it comes down to this level, and New Zealand Swiss franc as well. Again, this doesn't offer as much value as some of those other trades because, you know, this is sort of up, up and away. Yeah, we're a little bit moved from the moving average 20. You know, there's not as much value here. However, you know, it has clearly broken this level, which was an important level. And it's broken the high of this last candle here. So that's important as well. So we've had a breakthrough of this resistance level as well now. And we've got a nice bullish candle. In fact, the more I say about this trade, the more I like it. So if we got a little retrace into this grey zone, then I think potentially we can take price back up to this next level of resistance. And that's all I do, guys. Yeah, if it breaks this resistance, yeah, with, you know, a candle, it was actually this candle that broke it, I'm looking for the next resistance. Yeah, if it breaks this resistance, I'm looking for the next resistance. Yeah, not rocket science, guys. Simple stuff. All right. So, yeah, New Zealand Swiss franc as well, back up to here. And that's it, guys. Yeah, let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Friday, the 22nd of September, guys. So, yeah, surprise, surprise, overnight, the Bank of Japan didn't move their interest rate decision. That's just something they don't do. It's always minus 0.10%. And we had the BOJ monetary policy statement. So, yeah, we didn't get a massive response to that. Yeah, we're just looking at those yen charts there. So, yeah, we're still okay to trade the yen. But the first bit of news we're interested in is this. I slightly disagree with this. There's some 2-star ratings here that I think are 3-star ratings. And the first one is this. At 7 o'clock, London GMT, you've got all these core retail and retail sales. So all of these figures together are a 3-star rating. All right. So this, yeah, these 4 pieces of news could really move the pound pair. So must be aware of them, guys. Also at 7:30, worth pointing out, we've got the BOJ press conference. All right. So if we are looking to get into any of those yen pairs, we probably need to wait for this to finish. Yeah. Whatever's said in here can really make that yen volatile. The next piece of news is this. Again, I believe these are 3-star ratings. So everywhere from this 8:30, yeah, German manufacturing services PMI. At 9 o'clock, we've got the Euro manufacturing PMI, composite PMI, and services PMI. And these 9:30, we've got, yeah, again, PMI data coming out of the UK. So all of this from here to here, guys, is all 3-star ratings for me. All right, so it's going to be quite a volatile morning. And again, this could move euro and pound pairs. Yeah, these PMI figures are important, not 2-star ratings, 3-star ratings. If we carry on down, guys, what else have we got today? Again, yeah, these are saying 2-star ratings. Yeah, in here, I don't know why my pen has gone fat. But yeah, this Canadian dollar retail sales, these are also 3-star ratings. Must be aware of this. This will move the Canadian dollar at 1:30 London GMT. And then finally, guys, we've got more PMI figures coming out of the US. And at 2:45 London GMT, we've got 3 lots of 3-star PMI data. That was not easy to say. All right, guys. So a busy news day today, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, must be aware of all of that if you're in any of those currencies. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. Yeah. Tell them about Simply Forex. And if I don't see you before the weekend, have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you next week, guys.